This video will focus on smooth muscle tissue. Smooth muscle tissue is much different than skeletal muscle tissue and cardiac muscle tissue. In comparison to both of those, smooth muscle tissue, the cells are very, very short. So we have really small cells. The cells are uninucleate, and smooth muscle tissue is not striated. Here we're looking at smooth muscle tissue on the 10x objective. We'll move to the 40x objective to get a better look. So these cells right here are smooth muscle cells. And it's kind of hard to see, but one cell ends kind of right here, and we would say that this cell is spindle shaped. So they're very long and thin and shaped almost like a pillow if you were to pull the ends of a pillow. So these are smooth muscle cells. Through this line of tissue right here. So these are smooth muscle cells. A lot of students confuse smooth muscle tissue and dense regular connective tissue. So be sure to compare and contrast the two. If we look at the histologyguide.org website, we have smooth muscle tissue. If we get a closer look at this, we can see the individual spindle-shaped cells that almost look as if we stacked a bunch of pillows all up together. Smooth muscle tissue is involuntary in much the same way that cardiac muscle tissue is, and smooth muscle tissue lines all of the hollow organs. So there will be smooth muscle tissue in the walls of your blood vessels, in the walls of the organs of your digestive system, and the smooth muscle tissue can contract to narrow those hollow organs. Smooth muscle tissue is not striated in the way that cardiac and skeletal muscle tissue, which gives it its smooth appearance. So this is smooth muscle tissue. And be sure to compare and contrast smooth muscle tissue and dense regular connective tissue because they look similar, but they're very, very different. These are individual cells. This is smooth muscle tissue.